Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we're going to have a look of how to use a mirror in SolidWorks. You can use a mirror in two different environments, in edit part environment and in edit sketch environment. So initially, we're going to have a look of how to use a mirror in the editing part environment. So let's say that I want to mirror this pipeline from the other side as well. What I do is to find a mid-plane on this, in the center of this part, and mirror this pipeline to the other side. Let's see how we can do this. Initially, I have to make sure that I have that plane in the center of this part. As you can see, I don't have any plane in the center of this part, so I have to create one. Go to Reference Geometry, Plane, select this face and this face here. Now I have a mid-plane in this part, in the center of this part. Select OK. Click on this graphic area and select the mirror. Here you will be notice in the Property Manager, Mirror Face Plane. I have to select this plane where is going to be the mirror of my references to create the pipeline. So select this plane, Features to Mirror. Select, expand this arrow here, and select this extrude thin. Select OK. So now I want to use a mirror one more time to mirror this feature here on this side. What I do is to find the mid-plane between this surface and this surface here. Don't click anything, go on these planes here and don't click anything. As you can see, as you pass above them, they are highlighted in the graphic area. So as you can see, the right plane is a plane that I want to mirror this entity, this feature. So click on this right plane, select the mirror, and select the feature that we want to mirror. Extrude boss. OK. Now let's have a look of how we can use a mirror in the editing sketch environment. Go to New, select Part, Sketch, and select any plane that you want. In order to use a mirror entity in SolidWorks, I have to have a center line. Select the center line, and now select any tool that you want from here. Let's select the arc, 3-point arc. From this point to this point here, adjust the size. Press Escape again and select the mirror entities. On this mirror about, I have to select my center line. So the mirror about is where my mirror is in order to create the other half. So select this line, click on this label, select this line here, the arc. You can deselect this check mark here if you want to just move it from the other side. So by selecting this copy, you are going to have a copy of this arc from this side as well. If you deselect this check mark, you are just going to move this entity from this side. So let's try to see the results. Okay, you see what happened. Let's go again, mirror entities, mirror about, this line, select this blue label, select this arc, checkmark. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time.